Thanks, Bert. Conthargos Colt, out of sibling to 1.55 m level Florine W. Thanks, Bert is sired by Conthargos. This stallion has developed into a first-class progenitor of Grand Prix show jumpers, as he sired top-level performers like Continental Blue, Pia Contra and Easy Girl. In this pedigree we find Conthargos paired to a half-sister of the 155 level show jumper Florine W, who was ridden by Jasmin Seppele. Thanks, Bert is representing the dam line of the late breeder Wim van Dam and is therefore related to a number of international show jumpers. Also, the successful international Grand Prix show jumpers Q Dam and Curette lead on their dam side back to the great Grand Dam Likörtje B.